Kasalanan mo? Kasalanan mo kasi dahil ang pangit-pangit mo. You're not like us. You're so pretty. You're not below in school. Kaalis na mo. Nandito ka na naman!
Abuse. Verbal abuse refers to the use of harsh, demeaning, or hurtful words to intimidate or control another individual. Bullying is a form of aggressive behavior characterized by repetitive, intentional harm inflicted by one individual or a group or another individual who has difficulty defending themselves.